गुरु कहते जे
My teacher had advised me that I should not run after money, rather money should run after me.
केवे भी आज तक नोए भागे जनती लगी I am blessed with 3 sons and they are very highly educated.
Dr. Shishir Kumar Sahu is following the advice of his teacher, being true to the very letter. Even after his superannuation, he does not feel tired but continues his selfless and free service to the society. He has been able to create a special place for himself in the hearts of his patients as a sympathetic, sensitive, and dutiful doctor. That is why this 76-year-old doctor of Bargarh district in Western Odisha is being praised by one and all everywhere.
He provides the best of treatment to the patients and does not charge any fee. We came to know about him when we visited him in the year 2009 for treatment. Starting from pregnant women coming for delivery up to small kids, he treats everybody, and that too without charging any money towards his fees. So much so that he provides free food to the poor patients and also makes arrangements for their return journey to their homes.
In today's world, when the society by and large is totally submissive to greed, it is a rare scene to see someone providing service without charging any money. But when one sees Dr. Sahu, it seems as if money does not matter to him. His primary objective in life is his duty towards the needy people. While he treats the patients as per their convenience, he never charges an exorbitant amount in lieu of his service. He only charges ₹10 towards his fee. Many a time he offers free treatment as well as medicine to the needy patients and also gives them enough money for their return journey.
Starting from Padmapur subdivision, patients from the district of Nuapada, Bargarh, Bolangir, Sambhalpur and the neighbouring state of Chhattisgarh come to him for treatment. All of them say that they have come to meet Dr. Sahu for treatment. Forget about charging money from the patients for his fee. He provides medicines free of cost and also gives money for their return journey to their home. And if someone volunteers to give some money, he only charges 10 rupees.
Dr. Sahu had joined the medical services in Bargarh Government Hospital in the year 1972. Even at that time, he was giving door-to-door service to the poor and helpless patients who were not able to come to the hospital. Now, while he himself has become weak and finds it difficult to walk on foot because of his age, he has nevertheless continued his service to the needy people of the society without any break.
While I was going to the office, I used to first see the patients and then attend the other works. Later, I visited the indoor patients and then gave door service to the outpatients who could not come to the hospital.
After his superannuation in the year 2002, as the Chief District Medical Officer, he continued his service towards the patients by setting up a clinic at Sohela in Bargarh district. While his wife does not cooperate in his job, she has never objected his work.
After staying in this area and serving the needy patients, I am liked by the people here. I have been able to fulfill their hopes and desires. I am here because of their love and affection for me. They see me as a member of their own family and I also reciprocate the same.
The selfless devotion for the society of this doctor has endeared him before his patients and almost made him a god of service. As a social worker, Dr. Sahu is certainly a source of inspiration for the doctors of all generations. An ETV Bharat report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.